Okay, so this isn't a regularly scheduled video, but I just wanted to share this because I came across it. Unfortunately, it's in Italian, but some of the dangers of using Google Translate. This guy, so what happened was there was this Italian cook who was who ended up in court because apparently what happened was he had he'd been okay. So he was driving. Apparently, he was a bit drunk when he was driving in Tirolo. So Tirolo is the area of Italy which is right next to the border with Austria. In fact, they have an a German part of Italy there where they speak German. And anyway, it's right there next to the border. But this Italian cook, apparently, he doesn't speak any German, and he doesn't speak any English either. And so when the cops stopped him for driving erratically, he yeah, you know, they were trying to explain it in German and English, and he didn't understand. And after a while, he wanted to tell him, he's like, okay, I'll pay the fine, I'll pay the fine. So he used Google Translate, and he basically wanted to say, he's like, okay, I'll pay, right? Except he's some cook. I don't know exactly where he's from. He lives in Alto Adige, but I'm not sure where exactly he's from. But he wrote, io pago ben, like here, io pago ben, which means I'll pay, okay? And but it's sort of dialect in the way he says it, and so the way Google Translate translated it, I mean, you know, most people would understand. Italian speakers would say "Io pago bim," and you know, and some you know that they'll pay the fine. But Google Translate understood it as "Io pago bene," which means I pay well, and which the cops took to understand that he was trying to bribe them. And so they gave him a penalty of a fine of 900 euro, and they took his license away. And so it became a thing. And they said it was attempted corruption, and you know, saying, "Oh, I pay well, I pay well." So anyway, well, what happened was he got dragged in, and he now he's going to have to defend himself in court in front of the court of Innsbruck. And it says that the judge, after having listened to him, wants to hear another police agent, another police officer before giving a sentence. So I mean, this is a pretty bad thing because yeah, it came up with the wrong translation on Google Translate. So just another, this is your daily reminder to be aware when you're using Google Translate that mistakes can happen very often, and that you might be arrested and dragged in for corruption and trying to pay off a police officer for writing the wrong thing. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's all. I just thought this was cute and I wanted to share it with you guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything in English. I only found this stuff in Italian because it's pretty much local news. But still, I thought that was interesting. Okay, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.